Nobody likes shitty brakes. Today, we go from this to this. Welcome to episode 9 of the e36 budget drift build. Now, some of you may be asking, why not just get the calipers sandblasted and then powder coated? Well, since I still consider this a budget build, I try to save as much money as possible on things that you don't have to spend money on. Getting someone to powder coat these would be easier and less time consuming, but that would give no benefits in terms of performance over to my solution. And that's why we're here today. I want to thank you guys for the support you've shown so far. It really is appreciated. I'm also taking notes of the things you suggest me to do and improve, and one of those things has been audio. Now, I've done a bit of an investment, which actually wasn't that small of an investment, but I've picked up this wireless microphone system, which hopefully will help me take these videos to the next level. We will start off by removing all the rust, so with no time wasted, let's get grinding. If you are looking to get a perfect visual result, I would definitely advise you to get the calipers sandblasted and then powder coated. So here we are in my basement, and there's a reason why we're here. It's time to paint the calipers, and I don't quite have the space to do it comfortably in the garage, therefore here we are. I've made a bit of a janky setup, but it should work, a makeshift paint booth, if you will. That should allow us to get the calipers painted with a relatively decent quality. We'll see how it goes. So here's a rough idea how this, in theory, should work. I've taken a couple of coat hangers, modified them, tastefully of course, and in the idea is to hang the parts up like this so they can fly freely in the air and I can get them painted. So our next step is to degrease all of the components, hang them up there and get them painted. For cleaning, I'll be using Grandma's old bed sheets and some paint thinner. Super color, high temperature, 800 degrees. That's just what I need. So it's the next day, the calipers have finally dried off and we get to check the results. Please note that this was my first ever attempt at doing this, and I probably shouldn't be trusted with any tools, and yet here we are. If you're looking for a proper finish, I would absolutely recommend you to at least get your calipers sandblasted, as getting them perfect by hand would take quite a bit of time, which I simply wasn't willing to put into them. But I am happy with the results. How will they hold up? That remains to be seen, so I'll update you guys as the build continues. In the next episode, I will attempt to fully rebuild the calipers, which will also be my first time doing that. So if you're interested in watching me torture myself, make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you there. And if you've got any helpful tips to share regarding this episode, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will pin them so other people can find them easier. That's gonna be it for this episode. Thank you for being here with me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.